world, it's me, Doge, and today we're going to be showing you some glitches, but I'm also with Pi. He's right here.
Hello, I'm Pi, and I have the magical Connemara that I actually ride one in my life. So that's amazing, and I'm not going to give any more, it's not personal, right? Because there's many Connemaras out there, but okay, let's get into the glitches.
By the way, I'm a pork belly. Okay, we're going to show you the first glitch now. It's in Fort.
This I call the doghouse because I don't know. I just like to call it that. It's not a doghouse. I'm telling you right now. And there's a way to glitch out of it, but it's kind of annoying. And it's a little bit hard. Oh, you can also go into these boxes right here. Wait.
No, I'm not even there yet.
You're so slow.
No, I bumped into the wall.
Ow.
Okay. No. Okay.
No one be finding me.
Okay, no, I see you. I know where you are.
No, you don't.
You have to go in and then you have to crouch. But
yeah, I know. I found that. But it's we need slurping. That's kind of disgusting, but
okay, we're going to go over here because that's the way I like to live my life. No life, everything's gonna be fine. I'm gonna play Hi, I'm Steve.
No, let's say you're not. Here, let's go in.
No!
Ow! Why? Miraculously. Oh my god, I got so lucky.
Yes, okay, this is the doghouse.
It's the doghouse.
Why is she called it the doghouse? Because you can buy dogs, and cats, and bunnies, and whatever else is here.
What the heck? I'm glitched in the stair.
That's beautiful.
You know what's beautiful? This is.
Oh my god! Oh my god, okay.
You know what? I don't even care at this point. Ow. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna.
Hey, look. Is this how you glitch out? Oh, I got it. I glitched out. Wait, did I?
Wait. I'm in the doghouse.
No, I didn't. Oh, you're in it? Wait, I can't see. I'm glitching. I'm okay. No, I don't see. Oh, there you are. Hi, Papa.
The way
Okay.
out. Here's the way out. Okay, guys, follow me. So right here.
Well, I don't. No.
You should be coming out. But it
Hey,
might be
I'm back in.
Wait, are you singing Barbie song? Oh yes! Oh, hello! Yay! Now these are the deadly lasers.
Okay, I'm gonna cut because I need to do something.
Because I didn't pay them, and I'm not going to.
I'm Steve, the way I like to live my life. Everything's gonna be fine.
Let's get up here.
I'm skipping work again. That's because I don't have a job. The mailman was late today, and she was actually a woman. And she said,
"That's the way I like to live my life. Know that everything's gonna be just fine."
I don't remember when I first saw the mountains.
Oh my god.
Now that I see them, I'm wondering why they're there. But they're here.
I can't climb.
I can't climb.
I can't climb them.
But I
I
can.
can't.
Because that's the way.
Here's the mail. Dear Steve, that's not my name, but whatever. Dear Steve, how did you climb this mountain? Well, I'm glad you asked that. It's part of a two-step program. Find the mountain, climb the thing.
That's the way I can get things done. That's how I do. Okay, let's do the next glitch. We're like, wait, let me cut because I gotta turn off the music. Excuse me for that. I just had to. Don't just ignore us.
Okay, well the next one is this one I found. Well, actually, my online friend found this one. Okay.
Whee!
Well, I can see it, so let's get up here.
Wiggle.
Ow.
Okay.
Ow! This is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I did it. I'm so cool. Okay, so you go over here,
Ow!
and then you
Wait for me. You can't do this without
fall down because falling down is cool. Oh, but you don't do that.
Yeah.
Wait, how do you fall down? Get up here.
I'm trying.
Okay, I'm
trying.
gonna.
Okay, there we go. Hold on. I'm almost here.
Come on.
Okay, I'm here.
Everyone's probably clicked off because they're so bored. Okay.
Okay, let's go over here. Yeet.
Okay. So technically, how is this a glitch? Look, the beautifulness of running into the water.
It's pretty much. It's kind of like
That didn't work. Okay, so as you can see, when you went into the water and it said it's too deep, it brings you back up to the top of Fort, which is amazing. So
Yeah, so you don't actually have to go for a pickup. And we're not going to tell you where home stables are because that's private information. No,
How?
I'm kidding. I just don't want to tell you because I'm lazy.
I can't get out. Help! I've fallen and I can't get out.
No, that's the wrong meme. And that commercial thing isn't even good. Yeet. You have to like go sideways. Ow.
I can't climb the mountains. Okay. But I can.
You can't climb the mountains like Steve can.
Okay, ow. Okay, wait.
Hi, I see. Like, you have a car. It's in a tree.
The next glitch, by the way, is in Moreland Forge. Where Conrad
we're not
is.
gonna tell you yet.
The really mean guy who made me wait like 5 million days to unlock Golden Hills. He's mean.
He still is building the key.
Oh my god! Okay.
What's it?
Oh my god, okay, wait. This is stressful.
Okay, well, we'll just call for it.
I don't care if people know what my home stable is.
Okay, we can just call for a pickup. Okay, well, we're gonna reveal it now. It's for it.
Yeah, it's 4. I mean, it's not like anyone's actually gonna watch this video and like kill us. Okay.
Okay, let's go run.
Okay, I'm gonna like. Okay.
Don't trailer it.
So we're here at Conrad. Pie's already in the glitch. But
No one can see me.
yeah, she's
It's like
hidden.
a mastermind.
So you're at Conrad and I'm just gonna like do it step by step. So you're at Conrad. Go up this little path right here. You okay, why is my chat open? Okay, so then you
Oh wait,
go.
I see you right now.
So you go over here and then you go over here
I see you. I'm watching you.
and then you jump and you're probably gonna fail the first time if you're like me. But you're probably not like me, so you're probably gonna make it like the first try. So
Yeah,
lesson of the day: don't be like me.
yeet.
Oh my god, I almost did it. Okay, this is what is happening.
Yeetlings.
Oh my god, I'm bouncing up and down.
Dying.
Yeetlings.
Yeetlings. Squirrelings. You might have to call for it.
Yeah, I'm actually dying. I'm physically dying. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm actually gonna cut it right now because, as you can see, okay. So yes. Okay. So so now that I've called for pickup because I was dying, you go up that same way. You already know how to do it. You're probably already bored of this video. If you're still watching, you're a good person. So then you want to jump into no. Okay, that brought back dangerous memories.
You're really bad at this. I'm sorry, but can you like?
I think I did it. Okay, I did it.
Yay! So this can be like a club area, like meetup thing, but it can also be used like a hide and seek spot.
Yeah, I
Which is
mean,
amazing
no one
because
will
you
find
see
you, but
all the small people.
yeah, you can see all these people. Okay, now the only escape is to call for pickup. So I'm gonna call for pickup.
Yeetlings.
Yeetlings.
Why did I make that?
This last one is in Ever, but we're in Steve right now.
Yes, I found this one with like friends online friends. Okay, let's go. So this one is a little bit confusing, but you can only do it off of horseback. And if you want, you can do like a scary roll video there if you have a YouTube channel. And we'll definitely check it out and subscribe because that would be amazing. We actually had an idea for that, but we still kind of do. But I think it'll be a little bit scary for like the people who are.
Well,
really
we've made some scary rolls, like actually we didn't actually think they were scary, but then we watched them and they were like scary.
Especially because we're using like the free thing, the free formatting, so we can't really edit, so it can't be too scary, and it won't be too scary.
Yeah.
So it's like, yay. Okay, now let's. Okay, we'll all meet you at Mr. Bucket. So we're just gonna run.
Mr. Bucket's one of my husbands, but I have a lot of
Wait,
husbands.
Mr. Bucket is one of your husbands?
Yeah, he's one of my husbands.
Awesome.
But I have a lot of husbands.
Yeah, I'm like 5.
I mean, like, but I'm not cheating. Even though, like, some people say I would be cheating, but I'm not cheating. So. I just have a lot of husbands. I just have a lot of husbands.
Yeah. Okay, so this is Mr. Bucket. Apparently Doji's husband. sorry, hon. You know what? He's going to cheat on you. See,
No.
he's inside of
Look,
me.
I'm gonna kiss him.
No.
Yes.
Okay, here, let's just glitch.
Moi.
Please.
Moi.
Come here. Come here, honey.
Okay. Wait, where? Oh, like, okay, so. Okay, I remember this one. We did it a while ago. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay,
press the camera mode as many times as you need.
Yeah, so you're just gonna go down, then you're gonna hit O, go down, 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 hit O.
I said miraculously. You got that.
Ah, I did it. So now it's like a secret little area. As you can see, you're going into the darkness. So if you look
It's really big.
on your map, you can actually see you're in the area that doesn't exist. But at one point, it'll stop you, so you can't go any farther, which is kind of sad.
Yeah, but it's actually really pretty, but I'm kind of scared of it, to be honest.
Why?
I don't know. It's just like the best place to form a scary
Meh.
to record like a scary.
But I'm gonna twerk.
Twerk.
Okay, let's start running. So yeah, this is that glitch. There's nothing really to say about it, but the only escape is to call for pickup, right?
Yes, it's kind of sad, but
So yeah.
Queen.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Just like yeah. So now we're in Jorvik's stables for the second to last one. So
Look at the evil smirk on Joe.
hey, don't mess with him. He's one of my other husbands.
Ugh, he's so ugly. Okay, this is the second to last one, so we should jump in.
Oh, I thought you did it the other way. Okay, so as you can see, I'm failing at this. I'm really bad.
Yeah, because I'm better at this.
Yeah, you are. Okay, no, I'm going out.
There's
I'm
just
going
one little slot, like right here. Don't walk like an Egyptian.
walk like an Egyptian.
Perfect. Yeah, see, it's amazing.
No, it's not letting me turn. Okay, yeah, you were right. It's a little bit messy in here. Okay.
Yeah, it's a little bit messy in there, but it's a pretty good hide and seek
Well,
spot.
if I could just show the world what it's like inside there, but
You don't have to cut. Here, let's just run there.
okay. So now the very last glitch. You're probably happy the video's over at this point. If you're still watching, that's great. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, and also comment down below if you'd like us to make a second one, because I have some more spots, except...
Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I don't go paddock.
Oh, paddock. Okay.
Don't trailer there.
Trailering
Just go
is fun. Okay.
I can't believe it's already Valentine's Day.
I love Valentine's Day. It's gonna be done soon. I already found all
No, it's gonna be done tomorrow.
I already found all the what are they called?
The notes?
The
No,
notes.
You don't have New Hill or Golden Hill.
Yeah, well I'm gonna get Golden Hills tomorrow.
Well, it is true, but still.
Well, tomorrow the update. Maybe they'll keep it for another week.
I found one of them in New Hill. Wait, no, not on Paddock Bridge.
Okay, wait. So where are you?
On the bridge, oh my god.
Oh my God, it's on the bridge. I went like all the way into paddock. Okay,
No, it's not on the bridge. You just go to the bridge. So
I'm at the bridge.
Okay, so keep going. And wait until you. Okay. I'm just gonna like trot there. Here, hi, slow down. Let's just like trot there together. Let's have a happy day.
No, that's boring.
Let's like lope there.
No, gallop.
Okay, so this one isn't really a secret place, but it's somewhere where no one really goes. And it's kind of a nice club spot. It's kind of pretty. I have a nice view. Yeah. I really want to find a glitch for that island over there. So just comment down below if you'd like us to make a part 2. And then if we do get pretty popular, then maybe we'll do your dares and a lot more other videos. So don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.
Hope you like it. Like the video if you liked it. If you dislike it, tell us why you dislike it. We'll try to fix our problems. Bye.